Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you a stitch. Well, it's a very easy stitch, 2 rows repeat. This tutorial is gonna be a little bit longer, or I'm just gonna kind of explain how to do the stitch. Okay, this stitch I think it's nice for a throw, like a blanket. I don't know, you can do something with this stitch. This stitch is gonna eat a lot of yarn, so if you don't want to waste too much yarn on a project with this stitch, well, maybe you shouldn't work with this stitch. Okay, so I made a small sample variegated yarn, so you can do this with this kind of yarn if you like. It looks a little bit like the broomstick stitch or something like that. Yeah. Okay, well, let's try to do this stitch. With this stitch you're going to chain multiples of 5 plus one more, and after you chain multiples of 5 you're going to chain one more. I have 15 here, 15 chains, so I'm going to chain one more. We're going to skip the first chain, and into the second chain we're going to do a single crochet, and this row we're going to do single crochet in each chain until we finish this row. Well, no matter what yarn size you're gonna use, this yarn, this stitch is gonna be a little bit thick. So if you like something thick, you can do something with this stitch. It's pretty much reversible, the stitch. I'm just gonna, well, try to show you this stitch, even though to be honest, in our live chats, I said that I really don't feel like doing this tutorial for this stitch, but I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you do single crochet in each chain, then you're gonna chain 15 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A lot of chains. So in the first stitch here, right here, from where the chain it's this 15 chains is coming, in the first stitch we're gonna do a single crochet. I don't know if you can see, if the camera is close enough for you to see. Okay, so now you're gonna chain 15 chains. We have to do the loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 chains. Now you're gonna go to the next stitch and you're gonna do a single crochet in there. Yeah, so we have 2 loops already. So again you're gonna chain 15. Okay, 15. So again you're gonna move to the next stitch and you're gonna do a single crochet, and you're gonna do like this until you finish this row. So you're gonna chain again 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So again you're gonna move to the next stitch and you're gonna do a single crochet, and you're gonna do like this until you finish the row. Yeah, okay. So after you do those crazy loops, you kind of reach the end. Yeah, the end of the second row, let's say, after the single crochet. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna chain the last stitches here, and again we're gonna chain 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we're gonna go to the last stitch and we're gonna do in there a single crochet, and this is gonna be the rows that you're gonna repeat, yeah, from this moment forward. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna chain 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You're gonna turn your work, yeah, and you're gonna have the row with the loops up, yeah. So you're gonna take the loops. Make sure that you take them right. They should not be let's say twisted like this. You should put them like this. So 1, move to the next one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have here 5 of those loops. So what you're gonna do, to be easy, you're gonna put your finger through those, you know, you see, you're gonna put your finger through that just to help you. So you're gonna do 5 single crochets in this. So 1, you go again through those. Oh, what did I do? Did I put the chain? Did I put? So second single crochet, the third, fourth and the 5th single crochet. So you have 5 single crochets, yeah. So now we're gonna move to the next. What you're gonna do, we're gonna pick up 5 loops, yeah. So 1, you move to the next one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when you have the 5 loops, again you're gonna have to try to put your finger like this, yeah, to have the 5 on your finger here. So you're gonna do 5 single crochets in here, yeah. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3 and 4 and the 5th one. Because it's multiples of 5, you're gonna do 5 single crochets, yeah. So you're gonna pick up 5 loops and 5 single crochets. So now you have the last 5 loops here. So you're gonna pick them up. So 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. I missed one. Wait. Yeah, you have to be careful with this thing. Oh, jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. That's why I didn't want to do this tutorial. It's just so annoying. But if you like how it will look, maybe you give it a try. I don't know. But I'm really serious. I don't like this one. So you have 5 loops. So you're gonna put your finger through this. So you're gonna do 5 single crochets through that, yeah. So you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th single crochet, yeah. So it's gonna look like this, and this is the back. I don't know, if you like, give it a try. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna repeat the let's say the second row with the loops, in which each time you're gonna chain 15 after you close with the 5 single crochets at the end, yeah, the last 5 loops. You're gonna chain 15 when you have the row with after you finish the the loops, and you have to do this row of single crochets in here. You're gonna chain only 7, but now when you have to do the row with the loops, you chain 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Holy moly, a lot of chains. Whew. So now you have here where the chain is coming, yeah, the first stitch is here, right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in each you're gonna close the loops, yeah. So you go into the first stitch here and you're gonna do a single crochet, yeah? So you're gonna chain 15 again, and you're gonna move to the next stitch, and you do a single crochet. So you're gonna chain again 15 chains, and you're gonna move to the next stitch, and you're gonna do a single crochet, chain 15, and you go to the next stitch, and you do a single crochet, chain 15, and you go to the last single crochet here from this cluster, let's say. And again you're gonna do 15 chains, and you're gonna go 1 2 3 4. In each of these single crochets you're gonna close it with a single crochet, and you have the last 5, 1 2 3 4, and the 5th one, it's right here. So you're gonna do we're gonna close the loop into the last stitch with a single crochet, and then you're gonna chain 7, turn your work, and then you're gonna start picking up 5 loops, and then you're gonna do the single crochets, 5 single crochets through those loops, and so on. So I really, to be honest with you, and some of you might be upset, I can care less, to be honest with you. But this stitch, this is really annoying to me. It looks nice, but God, forget it. I'm not gonna, I don't think I'm gonna do something with this stitch. But if you like, please do. I hope you understand how I explain. That's why in the live streams I just didn't want to do this this stitch. Well, a close up with this stitch. But it's it's thick. Even though this this one, the yarn, it's thin. I think I have to use 3.0 millimeter crochet hook with this variegated yarn. The stitch, it's still thick. Yeah, it's thick. So if you want something big, you can you know, like thick. Even though it has these openings here, you can see. But if you put on you, this is gonna be really warm. Yeah, so maybe you should do it with a thick yarn or medium size. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is it for this this stitch. This is the back of the work, and this is the front of the work. Yeah. Well, sorry to taking up your time with the stitch. Sorry. Okay. Talk to you soon, and well, next tutorial very soon. Okay. Bye bye.